Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is email, inbound email, outbound email. Email services are an automated process. When we want to send email notification dynamically, we will use Apex-based email services. All classes and methods that are used to send email or to handle inbound emails are defined in messaging namespace. Emails are categorized into inbound email, outbound email, email template, and types. It represents a template for mass email or email sent when the activity history related list of a record is modified. Setup, administer, communication templates, classic email templates, new template. Types of email templates: text, HTML using classic letterhead, custom without using classic letterhead, Visualforce. Inbound email service. We can use Apex to receive and process email and attachments. The email is received by the Apex email service and processed by Apex classes that utilize the inbound email object. These are used to send emails to users who are outside of the organization. This is an automated process which uses Apex classes to process contents, headers, and attachments in the inbound email. Whenever new mail is coming to the Salesforce from an external system, we can execute Apex logic to process the incoming message. To handle the incoming email, Apex class has to implement messaging.inbound handler interface and also has to define the handle inbound email method. Methods: messaging.inbound email. This class contains email received from an external system, contains attribute to receive the email properties. Messaging.envelope. This class stores to and from addresses. Messaging.inbound email result. This class contains variable results. Value of the result is true if email is handled successfully. Value of the result is false if email is not handled successfully. Outbound email service. We can use Apex to send individual and mass email. The email can include all standard email attributes such as subject line and blind carbon copy address, use Salesforce email templates, and be in plain text or HTML format or those generated by Visualforce. These are used to send emails to users who are outside of organization. We are able to send email content as plain text or HTML format. We can also attach email templates and attachments to mail. Single email message. Messaging.single email message. This class is used to send outbound email to specified user or users based on business requirement. Methods: set to address, list of string email address, set CC addresses, list of string email address, set BCC addresses, list of string email address, set reply to string, set sender display name string, set subject string email subject, set plain text body string email content, set HTML body string email HTML content. Mass email message. Messaging.mass email message. Used to send bulk email to Salesforce users, leads, contacts. We can send email up to 250 users in a single instance. We have to add all the user IDs in the list in order to send email notification. Note: while sending an email, we can use email templates also. Methods: set target object IDs, list of ID. Set email template ID, email template ID. For example, create an outbound email and set it to self mail ID. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to open developer console. Here I am going to create one new class by clicking on file, new, Apex class, providing the class name outbound email. Click on OK button. So in this program, public class outbound email is the class name. Public outbound email function messaging.single email message msg equals to new messaging.single email message for single email string to address equals to new string. I am providing myself email id msg dot set to addresses to address msg dot set subject text mail msg dot set plain text body. This is a test mail from Apex. Messaging dot email emails equals to new messaging dot email msg messaging dot send email emails. Saving this class by clicking on save button, and for executing this class clicking on debug, open execute anonymous window. Class name outbound email OE equals to new outbound email system.debug OE. Click on execute button. For confirmation, go to your email ID and check if a new mail is coming. So here we are getting one text mail at our mail ID. Thank you.